I got a clip that I got to film here. I should have done a whole video on this truck, I'll be honest with you. I got like 5 videos going on at the same time, and I'm a little bit overwhelmed. This is one that I had intended on originally doing a video on. It's for a customer named Adam. He is from Alabama, and we've had this sale going for a little while. This is the 2025 GMC Sierra AT4. The lighting is really bad right now. Anyways, 2025 GMC Sierra AT4. This truck, we did a 37 1350/20 Toyo Open Country RT Pro on the factory wheel. It's the 20-inch wheel, the GMC, the gloss black one right here. And we did, we did some color matched fender flares for him, the gloss black ones, the onyx black. We did the color matched, or not color matched, the tinted recon lights. These are the white LED ones that we did on this truck right here. Mud flap delete kit, looks really, really good. And we did, this truck got a rough country 2-inch torsion key leveling kit. There's been a back order on these Suspension Max keys, and you guys may have been experiencing it too, but they called me yesterday. We've got a bunch of orders on to come in, so like 15 or 20 sets will be here next week. So I believe the back order on the Suspension Max keys are done, but I wanted to let everybody know that Rough Country does make a torsion key. Cognito does make a torsion key. They all do the same job. You just don't get that really good ride from the Suspension Max key, or from the Rough Country and Cognito that you'd get from the Suspension Max. It does improve the ride a little bit. So I'm gonna flip the camera around. Sorry about the scruffy beard here. I get my hair cut tomorrow. It's been a couple of weeks and I'm starting to look homeless up here, but check out the truck. Let me know what you think. Going over the truck on the outside. Once again, we have a 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. Now, before everybody says anything, I have not had this conversation with the customer, but I will. He does have a fuel tank, a toolbox, and a set of tires in the back of this truck. So if I back up off of it, you're going to say that this truck is not level. It's a little lower in the back. I'm going to tell him about that. Suspension Max offers a really nice 1-inch block and U-bolt kit for this truck. If you have situations where you're hauling just a normal amount of weight every single day like this and it's not fluctuating, I'd recommend doing that 1-inch block with the leveling torsion key, because it does level the truck out a little bit better. The alternative, if you're pulling different amounts of weight every day, we do airbag kits in the back of these trucks. That's really nice too, but for his situation, I don't really think he needs all that. This truck looks awesome. I love the way it looks. The black wheels, the Toyo RTs, the black truck, it just goes perfect together. And I really don't think there's a better looking tire on the market for this situation. I love the Mud Grappler, but this is Toyo, so it's the same company as Nitto. This is the RT Pro tire. It rides really good, minimal amount of noise, 45,000 mile warranty, and it's a mud tire. Awesome. Look how good it looks on the truck. We did do another truck in the past that was similar to this. I believe the customer, his name's Adam, I believe he did see that video. The other truck was the Toyo RT Pro like this as well, but we did do a 1250 on that. So it's a 37 1350 on this truck. The other one was a 37 1250. You see a little bit more width on the tire, which looks nice. And he did say, he said, hey man, I gotta have a 1350, I'm sorry. You know, I know it's gonna rub a little bit more, but you know, that is what it is. We didn't have to do the mud flap delete, but we did it for the look of it. Of course, it looks better to me too. We did the normal trimming on the front bumper that we do with the 1250. And then you can see where the paint is rubbed off on the frame right there. And then up on the sway bar, it's touching a little bit. I just drove the truck. I turned it all the way. It barely touches, you barely feel it. It's a really good stopping point. You know where to stop turning, and it doesn't really limit you too bad. So it is a good option. This is what I'd recommend.